Welcome to Bike Review Hubs, the place where we dive deep into the most exciting machines redefining performance and innovation. Today, we explore the 2026 Can-Am Maverick X3, a high-performance side-by-side designed to push limits on every terrain. From its aggressive styling to cutting-edge technology, this model continues to raise the bar for adventure seekers worldwide. Bold and aggressive design. The 2026 Maverick X3 arrives with a refreshed and aerodynamic profile. Its sharp body lines, wide stance, and muscular fenders not only enhance its rugged appearance but also improve airflow and stability. Can-Am's engineers have maintained the Maverick's identity while modernizing it for a sleeker, more refined look. LED lighting and bold color options make it stand out whether tearing through desert dunes or parked at the trailhead. Power and performance. At the heart of the Maverick X3 is the latest Rotax turbocharged engine, tuned for extreme power delivery. The 2026 model pushes the performance envelope even further, offering blistering acceleration and incredible top speeds. This engine is paired with an advanced CVT transmission for seamless power transfer, ensuring you have torque when you need it most. Whether blasting across sand, mud, or rocky trails, the Maverick X3 delivers a driving experience that feels raw yet refined. Suspension and handling. One of the Maverick X3's strongest qualities has always been its suspension system, and the 2026 update continues this tradition. With industry-leading long-travel suspension, advanced Fox shocks, and precision-tuned handling, it absorbs massive bumps and keeps stability at high speeds. The widened chassis and low center of gravity give the driver unmatched control, no matter how extreme the terrain gets. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2026 Maverick X3 combines utility with luxury. Redesigned seats offer enhanced support for long rides, while adjustable ergonomics ensure comfort for both driver and passenger. The cabin features improved noise insulation, advanced digital displays, and a more intuitive control layout. Added storage solutions and new tech integrations make it not just a powerhouse but also a practical companion for long adventures. Technology and safety. Can-Am equips the Maverick X3 with modern tech features that elevate the driving experience. A larger TFT display provides real-time data, navigation, and connectivity options, while integrated ride modes let drivers tailor performance to different terrains. Safety remains a priority with advanced stability systems, reinforced roll cage design, and upgraded braking performance. Final thoughts. The 2026 Can-Am Maverick X3 is more than just an off-road vehicle, it's a machine built for thrill seekers who demand uncompromising performance and reliability. With its perfect balance of design, power, suspension, comfort, and technology, it sets a new benchmark in the world of high-performance side-by-sides.